Hey guys, it's Dad and Son Do It All, and today we are opening a Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. So now we're going to open the box. See the tablet right there. It's in cloth, so we know that the screen shouldn't be cracked.
Let's hope not.
Okay. Ooh, I like the color of it. Take a look. Ooh, I like that.
All right, so let's go in here and see what else we got.
So we're opening this, and out of the bat, I see that we have a quick start guide, a Samsung power brick, and a USB-C, which is good, to USB-A.
There's also this little key that comes in it, which from other devices I believe is like a reset key. So you just keep this either safe or keep it in the box, and then you'll always know where it's at. So let's plug this in and check out the quick start guide. So we just threw it on the charger. You can see it's starting to charge now. So we're gonna let this do its thing, and as you can see, it's already got 60% almost. So this should charge up pretty good. So we're gonna fire this up and get to the quick start. All right, so we fired it up, and basically you follow the quick start. The quick start says that you follow the on-screen prompts, connect to your Wi-Fi, and essentially you're good to go. We know since this is a Samsung device, it's going to be on the Android platform, so we're going to be using Gmail to log into this. We already have those, so we're going to get this logged in, fired up, and be right back. Be prepared depending on how new your device is. It's going to check for updates. Ours is, so we're connected to the internet. It's looking for updates, and we'll get this all set up.
So now it's asking us to do the Hey Google, so we're going to set this up. So we finished all of the setting up, and we've got it. So I think it's done.
So it's loading. Hopefully it'll take us to our home screen, and there we go. So after you sign in with the Google account, you go through the different steps, options, and features, and then you're right into it. We're already getting updates from the Play Store. We already have all our various devices and apps that are pre-looked with Android, and so we're going to go ahead and start updating these, and then we'll be back to finish.
So I would say that this is a really good choice of tablet.
So far everything's updated. We have it launched to our favorite YouTube channel, hopefully yours as well, and everything's working great so far. So let us know if you have a similar tablet or if you have a preferred platform, Apple or Android, for your tablets or your phones. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did,
please consider liking and subscribing.
take care
And have a great day.